back to another video. So, in today's video, we are going to be doing a really fun slime challenge. So, today I'm here with my mom. And so basically the challenge is not to choose the wrong bag challenge. So over here we have a bunch of bags with slime ingredients. And basically we want to avoid the bags with water. We don't know what is in these bags. But yeah, so basically we put our blindfolds on. We have this bucket in the middle of the table. The first the zip top, I don't know. The first one we touch, we have to pick up, put it down, and then we take off our blindfolds. When we both have one, we put it in the bowl, and at the end of all our rounds, we will have a slime. So yeah, so basically to win the challenge, you have to get less water than the other person. So if I get like 3 bags of water and she gets 2, then obviously she would win. So yeah, so we're gonna get started off with round 1. So I have this really cute panda sleeping mask, aka a blindfold. So we're just gonna put these on.
I have a koala.
Yeah. Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, so let's just pick our first on. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, pick the first. Let me touch it. Either way,
Uh-oh. Doesn't feel good.
Okay, take it off. You got water.
I got water.
Alright, let's pour it into our bowl.
Okay.
Small.
You sure you're not peeking?
So I got clear blue glue. So far this is a really good start for me. I'm very messy. Okay, that should be enough. Got her chin up there. Okay, so yeah, this is what I have. This has a hair in it. This is my cat hair. Okay, so you excited for round 2?
I'm excited.
Okay.
Okay. Blindfold on.
Getting glue in my hair. Okay.
Here I go.
We can start.
Can I look?
Yep.
Oh, this game is not going well for me.
I got a note. Yeah, let's read it. Switch up.
Oh, like that.
You got my beautiful
Like that.
slime.
I do have blue slime with the hair in it.
Okay, I just have water. Okay, this sucks. Hopefully I can make slime. Okay. Are we ready for round 3?
Yep.
Okay. So let's put our blindfolds on and round 3. Okay. So I got which one? I am picking up 2. Okay, let's just do this one. Okay, let's take off my blindfold. Ooh, I got white glue.
I got
Crunchy beads.
crunchy beads. That's exciting.
Okay, let's put my white glue. This is a lot of white glue. Oh my god, that's so looks so weird in the it looks like brains.
Okay.
And at the end of the video, comment down below whose slime is better.
So far, this is what mine looks like with the crunchy beads in it. Okay, but you know what I have to say, Kayla? I think we really should mix up then.
Yeah,
With
me
our
too.
blindfolds on.
Okay, so our bucket is all mixed up, and we're just gonna pick. What did I get? So your blindfolds
I
off.
got.
I got glitter.
Oh, I got these super cool beads.
Oh no, so look at
I got crunchies and beads.
Okay, so this is like an absolute disaster. Hope I really can use some more glue because I basically like got gluey, glittery, white.
Crunchy beads. Crunchies and beads with blue glue.
Okay. Oh, now we're gonna move on to the next round. Okay, so let's just move this to the middle, and let's get our which one?
Oh, I got
I
a big
think I
bag
got
of
glue.
water. No, maybe I didn't. I gotta look. Oh.
Oh, you got pretty glue. Okay, so I got this clear glue. With like sparkly glue.
You know, like a tie-dye type glue.
Yeah, it's like purple,
Purple
pinkish,
and
bluish.
blue.
Yeah, let's pour the glue in.
Okay, here we go. Wow. This is really
What did I get? Did you get yours?
I got mine.
6 bar blindfold. Ooh, I got.
Oh, I got pom-poms.
Oh, you no, the pom-poms.
It's going to be full of texture, as you can see. I got pom-poms. I've got crunchy.
Dang it, I got water.
Oh, I think I got water too. I did. I think mine needs a little water, so I'm not too upset about that.
I think I'm gonna lose because I'm pouring all this water in. I'm excited to mix mine at the end. You don't have to mix yours at the time. Okay, mine is looking like beautiful.
Not great though. This is definitely not slime consistency. Okay.
Okay, let's take our
Okay.
blindfolds off. What did you get? You got instant snow.
I got instant snow.
And I got paint. That smells disgusting. So it's slime.
Okay, I just pour the instant snow in. Okay.
Just gonna get sort of like a
Oh, it's
flaky
like
texture.
a snow.
She's getting all the textures.
It's like a snowstorm in my bowl.
Yeah, you don't know how it works.
Don't know how this works.
She never made slime before, so this is honestly her first time.
Okay.
Oh, the bag is the garbage can for a reason. Alright guys, so we're just going to be mixing ours up. Mine is looking uglier than ever.
Okay, mine's. I don't like the smell of it, but it looks pretty cool. I got it. It looks pretty cool.
Okay, so mine is like a watery.
There it is. Instant snow, crunchies, pom-poms, beads, 1 baggie of water, and glue.
So mine looks like a gluey, watery, painty, literally
Mess.
mess. Yeah.
It does look like a mess.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna be showing you guys our slimes in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, so we have our slimes. Mine's turned out really jiggly and humongous, and it's also pretty stretchy for a jiggly slime. Mine's like purple with, oh my god, mine's so stretchy. Mine's purple with some glitter, and I love mine. So yeah, I think mine won out of prettiness and texture compared to
I think
theirs.
mine won. Mine is very fluffy and and a little stretchy. Stretchy. Get your hands off of my slime.
Bro, mine was like the prettiest and came together the best. But Mom was the winner of the challenge because she did get less water than I did. Did you get any water?
I don't think I got any.
No, she got 1 bag.
1 bag of water. That was it.
Wait, but that was in the beginning, right?
No, it was at the end.
We switched, and you got all the water.
Oh yeah. Okay, well yeah, I was the loser of the challenge, but I think mine slime is prettier. Make sure to comment down below who got the prettier slime. I think I did.
I love my lilac color.
Yeah, I'm gonna give
It's
it
very stretchy, and it's not too sticky.
oh my god, you're so sticky. Alright, the pom-poms don't even crunch. Oh my god, they're so sticky. I hate slime. Yeah, but mine is like, this is the first jiggly slime I made. So how's your first experience making slime?
It's very slimy. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Let's hear the sound of it.
This slime really sucks, but listen to mine. Shh. How nice that is.
Okay, listen to mine. Little pieces went flying.